Welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today we are going to explore a scent from Swiss Arabian, which is this one, white, which is this white Jannat al Firdaus. So this is the bottle, white Jannat al Firdaus, and I am going to describe as simple as I can. This is the box, this is the bottle. So I'm going to show you both of them. This is Jannat al Firdaus white version. Mostly you might be familiar with the black version. So this is a very nice oil. I have seen people on their skin, it really radiates a lot and looks really awesome. But for me, it doesn't work. So I'm going to share with you how it actually smells. Okay, so there is musk in it, really nice white musk, which is the same one they have in their other oils, Swiss Arabian. I think musk malaki, it is very close to that. But on top of that, it has a very nice milk note. So it is very lactonic. It is like milk has been mixed with musk, sweet white musk, and it is kind of milky toffee or candy. So it is a bit sweet, on the sweeter side. It is very lactonic, and I think it is kind of fresh green. So if I describe it in colors, that is why they have used this white color, because it is milky, musky, has some very light green tints, I can say. There might be some greenness in it, and it is a really nice, very nice smell. So if you are looking for a very affordable attar and you are a starter in attars, I think this is the one you should go for. It is very good. I think you can pull this off in summers. It has 9 ml actually, and for me, I think if I would describe it in 2 words, it is just milky and musk. Milky musk with some, maybe some, you can say, sweetness, toffee kind of gourmand sweetness to it. Not overly sweet, it is very balanced sweet, because I really hate overly sweet perfumes or attars. Let's try to open it and try to sniff it from the actual juice. So it has a stopper over here. So let's see if I can pull this off. Yes. Okay, so the top note is mostly some kind of orange peel or lemony kind of effect. So I think it is very good for summers. I think the last video I made for this one was not accurate, and it has some jig, you can say, some problems. So I have to re-record it. Okay, so right now the summers are coming. It is almost the spring season, and I'm really enjoying its smell. It has some, if I describe it in 3 words, it is going to be lactonic musky smell with the top note, which is a bit kind of orange peel or lemon peel or lemony kind of lactonic musk. So these are the 3 words I would describe this lovely piece of work. I think in this price it is almost 14 to 1500 rupees in Pakistan for this one. It is very nice for beginners, and I hope you have enjoyed my simple review of Swiss Arabian white Jannat al Firdaus, and do try this one. This is very affordable. You can easily purchase it, and if you are a starter in oud and attars, this is going to be the first one. So if you don't like dense smell, you like light smells, this is going to be your answer. lactonic, sweet, musky with some lemon added to it. So that is all. This is my review about Jannat al Firdaus white version, this one, this bottle. See you soon with another review. Till then, take care. Bye bye.